Using this wire stripping tool can quickly and effectively strip, cut and crimp, thus saving time and effort. With self-adjusting jaws, it is very suitable for copper and aluminum cables of 10-24 Aruban florins, 0.2 to 6 mm. Thumb wheel micro-adjusting swivel knob to strip wire smaller than 24 Aruban florins. Plastic and cushioned grips can provide maximum leverage, PP&TPR, and increase comfort and reduce hand fatigue, making the grip self-adjusting. Stripping tools are very suitable for large or small jobs. The drop-forged and heat-treated steel construction with excellent hardness pliers are strong and durable enough to handle even the most difficult tasks. This self-adjusting wire stripper is very suitable for electricians, DIY, industrial and household use. Use it to strip, cut copper wires, aluminum wires, armored core wires, electrical cables and insulated terminals. Electrical crimping. Top reviews from the United States. Ultimate tool. This tool made the job I had to do flawless.